Peptides, known from skincare for supporting the skin's elasticity, is added to Schwarzkopf formulations to refill the damaged cortex by rebuilding the hair's inner architecture. For hair that is extremely damaged, unmanageable and over-processed from repeated chemical treatments, leaving it feeling rough and prone to breakage. Significantly improves inner strength. Restores the protective layer of the hair surface, leaving the hair feeling smooth and supple with a healthy shine. Schwarzkopf. Over 120 years of innovation. A brand of firsts, Schwarzkopf's rich history is defined by innovations. The first dry shampoo, the first liquid shampoo, the first hairspray, the first cold perm, the first home color product. Over 120 years later, and the brand is still striving to improve the consumer's haircare experience with every new product they create. Leading where others follow and encouraging people to showcase the best version of themselves, they proudly provide the tools needed for everyone to embrace and celebrate their individuality. Top reviews from the United States. Great hair shampoo. Have used product for several years, was recommended by my stylist. Love it.